vacation flashcards. So I need scissors. Cut. Okay, I have scissors now, and let's cut this. I'm a bad cutter. Yes, I got through. I broke through. Yeah. Let's now unbox this one. I'm sorry. Achoo! The mess is on the floor. I have to. Okay. So this is like a calendar. It came with. So yeah. I'm gonna open it right now. Wait. Oh, you can just open it like this, and I didn't even see that. It's 9 plus. But it says 9 plus, and this says 7 plus, which is my age. I'm almost about to become 8 soon. I don't know. So let's open the times. I don't know how. Whoa! Wait, look. Yeah. Right? Oh. Yeah. It's not opening. Yes, I opened it. These are the flashcards. 10 times 8 is 80, by the way. And 7 times 0 is 7. So we'll be doing this later. We're just unboxing. So we're just gonna put it there for now. So I can't close it. It's stuck. I can't close it. No. I can't close it.
You're doing it the wrong way.
What do you mean?
You close it from bottom to top.
Close it from bottom to top? I'm doing it the wrong way. So we'll be doing flashcards in another video, but I'm just gonna close it because it's not working. Daynet.
If you force it and something's wrong, then you're doing it wrong.
So I'm doing it wrong?
Yeah.
Then what am I doing What am I doing wrong?
You just, yeah. You don't need to force it.
Oh, so I did it. Okay. So yeah. This one we unboxed today, and we're not gonna do this today because it will be not that entertaining. We're gonna do this in the next video. 9 and the 32 cards. This one is 32 cards. So the same. Yeah, so I'll show you the camera filmer. This is my dad.
Hi.
Filming. So if anyone who liked this video, leave a thumbs up and like the video, and make sure to comment down below. And this is the end of the video, and Daddy, say bye-bye.
Bye.